Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Good morning to the honorable judges, our dedicated teachers, highly respected audience, and my fellow friends. It is truly a blessing for me to be granted this opportunity, and I must express my thankfulness to God and all the people that have supported me to where I am now. Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a question. Is studying or remembering history even useful? Well, if you think that it isn't useful, I, Shining Dominic Maylin Papahan, will convince you otherwise. To ease our understanding in the importance of knowing our history, I will depict this topic by explaining a little part of the history of Tatar Sunda. Tatar Sunda or Tanah Sunda is a term that refers to a group of region that is tightly connected to the Sundanese culture. The origin of Tatar Sunda actually started from a pretty long time ago. It was primarily developed around the 8th century, after the fall of the Tarumanegara Kingdom or Kerajaan Tarumanegara, when the western region of Java from Ujung Kulon to Kaliserayu had transferred its ruling power to Kerajaan Sunda or the Sundanese Kingdom. The Sundanese Kingdom's prime period, or heyday, was often associated with the reign of Prabu Siliwangi or Sri Baduga Maharaja. In its final days, the center of government of Kerajaan Sunda or the Sundanese Kingdoms was generally at the west side of Java, with Pakuan Pajajaran, or which we are more familiar with now as Bogor, which is actually where I'm from and where I'm at right now. In Bogor, to this day, is still a well-known region throughout the West Java province. In Bogor, you can also really feel and see most of the West Java culture through lots and lots of mediums. For example, some of the most famous culture through forms of art and tradition are Tari Rampak Gendang, which is a traditional dance that was popularized around the 1980s, and Serentang, which is a traditional rice harvest ceremony. Apart from those, there is also a heritage from Kerajaan Sunda that we can see now in modern-day Bogor. This heritage showcases 100 years old of technology. Located at Batu Tulis Street, southern of Bogor, there stands a historical inscription called Prasasti Batu Tulis, which was created by Prabu Surawisesa in honor of his dad, Prabu Siliwangi, who was described as a great king. There is also details of construction of defensive moats, creation of the Mahawijaya Lake, and the layouts of the once capital city of Pakuan Pajajaran or Bogor in the Prasasti, or inscription. Other than the physical heritage that is inherited from Kerajaan Sunda, there were also some social traits and behavior that are still alive now in the people of Bogor. For example, the most common one is Sili Asah, Sili Asi, Sili Asu. This is a principle and a form of local culture that directly means to hone and educate, to care and love, to guide and protect each other. This is a wisdom that has lived and continues to grow, extending and expanding its nature of nurture, guidance, and growth, especially through in and out of Tatar Sunda. Well, ladies and gentlemen, through the insight that were presented, we can clearly see a red string connecting the past and the present. All of these inscriptions, all of this technology, and these unique forms of culture are just to show humanity's intelligence, devotion, and most importantly, identity. Yes, that is indeed correct. Identity is the main absolute reason why we must remember history. Where you were born, where you are standing, and where you will eventually lie has their own identity that is engraved and continues to grow and spread for as long as our ancestors have been weaving the stories, the art, the nature, and the people just to send a message. A wisdom to never forget who you are and what came before you, and to pass the legacy the other reasons why we must remember and preserve our culture, among others, are history can be effective to use as an education tool. It can also be a blueprint or an instruction for technologies even nowadays. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a wonderful moment for me to share with all of you. Unfortunately, it is time to bid my goodbye. I am once again grateful and thankful for all the people that have supported me. I'm Shining Dominic Megalyn.